Mike here with Hurricane Blocker. We're just going to show you how to install the off-ridge vent roof cartridges. The first step in the process is using an appropriate sealant to seal the back corners of the vent where the pest screen is. There's an unsealed seam up here that is a pocket that traps water, so it's important to caulk and seal those. The next step in the process is to test fit the cartridge in the vent to see where the front lip of the vent is going to land on the cartridge, so we know it's going to be close to this end. We're going to take a roll of butyl strip caulking here, apply it along the edge here. Cut it to size. Push it down firmly. Peel the backing off. Peel the backing off the back side. And then we've got washered roofing screws here. We take the cartridge, get it tight up against the back side of the vent. Make sure you're centered with the vent. Push it in place with some pressure, hold it there. You can feel the center rib in the vent to know you're at the center of it. Secure it. Push the ends in. Nice and tight and secure them. We then just split the difference with 2 additional screws. Then we screw the ends in place. Give it some pressure to hold it against the back wall of the vent. Put a second screw just to help suck any gaps out of the back there. Get the other side. And then we use a caulk around tip on our caulk guns. A piece of clear tubing also works as well to help reach in the back there. And we're going to caulk the back and the side of the vent. At the back 6 inches at the corner. Run a bead along the back. Run a bead along the side. And then we come to the side of the vent, and any gaps at the side of the vent, caulk and seal, run a bead along that. Come to the other side. Caulk the back wall along there to the corner, fill any gaps at the corner, come out with it, and run a bead on the side. Then you just smooth that inside with your fingers. Any residual you can just put on the side here to fill any gaps. Same thing on this side. Reach under, just smooth the caulking out, and cover anything on the side. That's it, minus the installation of the baffle.
All right.
The installation of the Hurricane Blocker baffle system is quick and easy. We've got a mark here for our drainage provisions in the baffle. This is spaced at 3 inches, so if you line this spot up with either the edge of the vent or the edge of the cartridge, that'll provide your manufacturer required clearance of 3 inches. The baffle just slides into the vent here. In this particular application, since we're installing on top of the tiles, we're going to utilize some scraps of the cartridge filtration material just to reduce any potential vibrations on the tiles so that the customers don't have to hear that. So we line that 3-inch tab up press the end in place, which also tensions the bottom of the vent. And there's a number of screw holes that you can choose depending on the tile layout and placement. For attachments, we put 2 screws per side. So we're here, push this in place, line up our notch, which is right about here, and screw the baffle in place. And a quick test just to make sure there's no vibration is to just go like that.